This video will show you how to unfreeze your Telegram account. You need to listen carefully because this will save you a lot of time. Before we start, don't use the spam info bot to unfreeze your account. I tested it myself and it did not work for me. Instead, I'm going to show you one of the fastest methods to unfreeze your Telegram account. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Play Store. So if you are using an iPhone, open the App Store instead. Don't worry, the steps are exactly the same. So now search for the Telegram app just like you are about to download it for the first time, but pay attention, you are not downloading the app and you are not updating the app. So this is what you need to do. Tap on the app. After that, scroll down a little, you will see a section called App Support. Almost every app on Play Store and App Store has this section. It allows users to contact the developers directly. Now tap on App Support. So once you open it, you will see different ways to contact Telegram: their website, email address, phone number, location, and other information. But the only thing we need right now is the support email. So find the email address and tap on it. When the options appear, select email. Now we are going to use the email to send an appeal to Telegram support team. If you don't know how to write a proper appeal, don't worry, I have already prepared the exact appeal message for you in the description. Check the description of this video and copy the appeal exactly as I provided it. First, copy the subject and paste it into the subject section of the email. So then copy the main appeal message and paste it into the body of the email. Don't send it yet. There is very important thing you must do first. You need to add your Telegram phone number. This helps Telegram know exactly which account you want them to review. So anywhere the appeal asks for your number, make sure you enter the correct number. Add it again at the end of the message. So before sending the email, take a few seconds to double check everything. Make sure the phone number is correct. A small mistake can delay the process or cause Telegram to review the wrong account. So once everything looks good, tap send. That is it. Your appeal has now been submitted to Telegram support. All you need to do is to wait for their response and monitor your account. If you want another effective method that can also help with frozen Telegram accounts, click the video showing on your screen right now. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.